In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make fancy recipe cards using a template in Microsoft Word. If you want to create a stylish recipe card without designing everything from scratch, Microsoft Word provides templates that you can customize with your own recipe information. Using a template can make the process much easier because the layout and design are already prepared for you. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. From the Start screen, look for the template search box. Click inside the search box and type Recipe Cards. Then press Enter to search for available recipe card templates. Word will display different recipe card designs that you can choose from. Take a look through the available templates and select one that matches the style you want. Once you find a suitable template, click on it to preview the design. Review the layout and make sure it has enough space for the recipe title, ingredients, instructions, and any other information you want to include. After selecting the template, click Create. Word will open the template as a new document, allowing you to customize it. Now, replace the sample recipe information with your own. Click on the existing recipe title and enter the name of your recipe. Next, replace the sample ingredients with your own ingredients. Keep the same general layout so the information remains organized and easy to read. After that, replace the sample instructions with your own cooking instructions. You can edit the text directly inside the template while keeping the existing formatting and design. If the template includes a picture, you can replace the sample picture with your own. Select the picture, go to the Picture Format tab, and choose Change Picture. Then select the picture you want to use. You can also customize other parts of the template, such as the colors, fonts, and text formatting, depending on the design you're using. Once you've entered all of your recipe information, review the entire card. Make sure the title, ingredients, instructions, and picture are positioned correctly and that all of the text is easy to read. When you're satisfied with the result, save your Word document to keep your customized recipe card. And that's how you can make a fancy recipe card in Microsoft Word using a template. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,